Welcome back to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. In today's video, we'll be continuing the drawing which was started in part 1, whereby we'll be adding the dimensions to the drawing and we'll be showing you how to properly align the dimensions to the drawing. We'll be starting the video now. Welcome back to the channel called CAD with Mr. Yu. In today's video, we'll be adding the dimensions to the given drawing. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to go up to the Layer Properties Manager. We're going to click this icon for New, and we're going to call it Dimension. Alright, so this layer will add our dimensions on it, and if you want to turn off the layer, we'll do so. Alright, so we're going to go to our linear aligned measurement, aligned, and we're going to measure from turn off the snap, and we're going to turn on object snap. All right, there we can pick it up. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to measure these measurements. So, all right, so we'll go again. Aligned, we're going to measure here, there. I'm going to go aligned, there, there. All right, let us go. Oh, we need to turn on the, okay, the dimension is how we need to go to the layer properties manager and see what's happening. So dimension, the color is white. Let's draw a line and see what's happening. So we're going to line, we're going to go dimension layer, enter. All right, it's working. All right, so undo. All right, we probably need to go to dim style, go to modify, go to fit. Right, we're going to change this number to 3. All right, and then we might be able to see. Close. All right, so let's go now. Aligned, this point, this point. See, there it is. Good. All right. Now, this is not properly aligned, right? So we have to go to, there's a video that I made that shows you how to correct it. So you can visit that video. All right. Okay. So we're going to add the other dimensions to the drawing. So we're going to go aligned, and we're going to go from there to there. We're going to move it up. All right. We're going to measure again from here to there. We're going to measure from here to there. We're going to measure from, going to turn off snap from there to there. We're going to measure from there to there. We're going to measure from here to there. We're going to measure from there to there. Then we're going to turn, we're going to go to the isoplane left. I'm going to put on a dimension on that side. So go escape, enter, this point to this point. We're going to align this one. So we're going to type dim edit. We're going to click on oblique. We're going to select this object. We're going to press enter. Then the oblique angle would be this line to that line. There it is. Good. Enter. All right, so we're gonna put the height on the drawing. We're gonna change it back to. All right, so we're gonna go aligned, align, and it will be this point to this point. Then we're gonna align. We're going to put the dimension for this one. We're gonna put the dimension for this one. We're gonna put the dimension for this one. Then we need the how deep this is, right? So we're going to put the height for this we're gonna go vertical now, which is linear. I'm gonna select this part to this part. All right. Then we're gonna choose this part here, this section. All right, that is it. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're also gonna measure this measurement here. So we'll go align, so we'll go this point to this point. All right, we're gonna shift out this 50. All right. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're going to align the point, the dimensions properly to the drawing. So we're gonna type dim edit, which is this one. We're gonna click on oblique and we're gonna select these lines, these dimensions. Enter. The oblique angle would be this to that. All right, so there it is aligned. All right. All right, let us fix this 10. We're gonna carry it closer. All right, we're gonna carry it down. We're gonna turn off the snap. All right. All right, so we're gonna align the 60. Oblique. We press enter a while ago to get the last command. Select our objects, press enter. Then we enter the oblique angle. This. All right. Enter to get the last command. I'm gonna click oblique. I'm gonna select these 3 dimensions. Enter. Then we're gonna the oblique angle would be this. All right. We're gonna align the 40 also. So we're gonna press enter. Oblique. I'm gonna click this line, this dimension line, and the oblique angle would be this line. All right. Turn on snap. All right. So dim edit. Click oblique. Click the object, press enter, and the oblique angle would be this. All right. Press enter to get the last command. We're going to click oblique. We're going to click this dimension, press enter, and the oblique angle would be this to that. All right. We're going to align this one. So we're going to go enter to get the last command. We're going to click oblique. We're going to select our object, press enter, and the oblique angle will be this, there to there. All right, see that looks much better now. We're going to align the 20 and the 50 millimeters. So we're going to press enter. Going to click oblique. I'm going to select the objects, which should be the 20 millimeters and the 50 millimeters dimension. Press enter. And the oblique angle would be this. All right, fabulous. So this is our drawing, right? Now the 50, I'm going to center it. All right, so we're going to move the 50 up. All right, much better. All right, so this is our drawing with all of our dimensions that is required. So in the next drawing, we'll be drawing this drawing in first angle projection, which is a two-dimensional drawing. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we drew the isometric drawing. We made a layer for the dimensions and we put the main dimensions on the drawing. So good job if you got it correct so far. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.